Stephen Rounds here, and in this video we are going to talk about how to view your link tracking and all the reports and how to use that stuff. So again, the domain that Hypershrink is installed in for this demonstration is called littler.me. Of course, that would be your own domain name. Once you get there, you just click login and enter your username and password. Okay, by now you are probably familiar with the Hypershrink installation and what it looks like. So we've been running some traffic through here, and there are three types of reports you can get. You can get a click details report, a refers report, and a clicks count report. So first of all, let's start right at the beginning and look at the click details report. The click details report will show you a graph of all your traffic across the time frame that you select here. And it gives you the details for every single click that comes in. You can see here that this click came in today, April 18th, that there was no refer, that it came from this IP address, and the browser was a Safari browser. If you need more detail, for instance, you can see the URL that it redirected to, that Hypershrink redirected to, is kind of cut off here. That's so that we can fit all the information in. To be able to see the entire detail, all you need to do is mouse over, and it will give you the entire URL or the entire referrer. So you'll be able to see everything you need to know, even though it's been shortened. All you have to do is mouse over. So the link, this is actually the link name, and the way that John uses the naming conventions is that he puts in the date that he created the link. So to view the data, you can show the last 10, and as you see here, it just shows the last 10 clicks that were made. If you want to see more, you can look at the last 50, last 100, or you can click Show All. And if you were to look at the last 50, it's just going to refresh the screen for you, and you'll be able to see the last 50 clicks that came in. And again, this is individual clicks and data for the individual click. If you wanted to get specific by day, you could say today. Now when it refreshes, you'll know that there's no data here. You have to have 2 days worth of data for this kind of chart to display, but it will still just display the information, the click detail for today. You can also get specific and be like the last 2 days just by putting, date start in. You click that and select a different date on the calendar. Now when it refreshes, it will show you how many clicks you had yesterday, and it will show you how many clicks you had today, along with the standard click detail report. And when you select the tab at the top, it'll change the order of things. So if you change link name, for instance, it will go order by link name, and you can order up or down with any of the data. Each time you click it, it's kind of a positive or negative. If you want to sort by browser, you can see there that there were 4 that didn't have a browser. You click it again, and those 4 would be at the bottom of the list. Pretty straightforward. You can also show your click detail by groups. So these are 2 groups we have, and you can see paid surveys at home only information. So now it doesn't display data for everything, it's just showing data for paid surveys at home. And if you wanted to know which link it used, and again, this could be your own naming convention. It doesn't have to be by date. This would just be the link name. You can show specific link names so that it only shows you the click detail report for that link name. And it also displays the data across the top just for that link name. Okay, so that's the click detail report. You also have refers. Now, if you wanted to see where your traffic was coming from, who was clicking on your links, you can see the refer and how many clicks you got for that referrer. So again, if you mouse over, it will give you the rest of the data. If it's all not displayed here, you'll be able to see it's cut off by 3 dots. So you just mouse over it, and it will show you the entire referrer information in the box that pops up. So you can see that we had 1,080 clicks had no referrer, and we had 4 from email at MyNet. And then if you wanted to sort again, top to bottom, what you're seeing, or if you wanted to sort by click it again, and it'll sort, most clicks to least clicks. So you'll always be able to then go see where the majority of your traffic is coming from. Again, you can sort this information using any of the display information. You can be, last 7 days, and it will display only the data for the last 7 days. You can show for just yesterday if you're trying to find out, what happened yesterday. You sort this way, you click it again, and you can see 227 clicks yesterday with no refer. Again, you can sort by group, you can sort by link, So if you choose show all in the group and choose a specific day in the link, it will show for that link only. And the link belongs to a specific group, so there's no crossover there. However, if you wanted to show by group, there might be multiple links, or there might be a single link from that group. Alright, so moving right along, we are going to do clicks count. And this is actually kind of cool. Again, you'll be able to see the graph of the data for the information selected. And you'll see that we have 2 groups here, Website Automation Wizard and Paid Surveys at Home. And you can see that for this link, Website Automation Wizard, you had 2,108 clicks, and that there was only 1 link there. However, Paid Surveys at Home actually has 2 links. It has this link and this link. And when you mouse over